Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to speed up or offload unused apps in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then click on general. And after clicking on general, you can see the option iPhone storage. Click on iPhone storage and here you can select a app you want to offload. Simply click on app, and if you want to offload your app, then simply click on offload app and click on offload. Your app will be uninstalled and data will be preserved in your phone, and if you can reinstall your app, your data will be recovered. So this is the way to speed up or offload unused apps in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.